Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Friends, normally when we block someone on Instagram, we forgot their ID and after some time, if we want to see the list of all the blocked contacts and want to unblock some of them, then you simply need to press on the profile icon. Here you need to press on the three lines, press on settings. In settings, press on privacy. Here you need to drag it little down and you will find the option of blocked accounts. In blocked accounts, you will find the list of all the IDs which you have blocked in your Instagram. So from here you can very easily unblock any contact. So friends, like this you can very easily see all the list of blocked contact in your Instagram and can very easily unblock them. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.